Good morning. Well, let's see, what time is it? It's 2:13. I'm gonna get ready because I'm fixing to cook dinner. We're having homemade mac and cheese. Let me get everything together and I'll get back to you. What we're gonna need is pasta noodles. I use the elbows, cheese, cream and mushroom soup, and a 1/4 cup of milk. I think also I'm gonna do baked beans with it, so you'll see.
Past every storm cloud, rays of sunlight, rays of sunlight. Past all of my doubts, I see a sunrise, see a sunrise. Every morning, I'm reminded that you're never gonna leave me, no matter
hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you try it, and I'll put the recipe down in the description, and we'll talk to you later. See you, bye.